Do you ever wonder why some people seem to have all the financial success while others struggle to get by? The truth is, building wealth isn't about luck, it's about following the right rules. In this video, I'll share 5 simple money rules that anyone can follow to start their journey to financial freedom. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to grow your wealth and secure your future. Let's get started. Money doesn't come with a manual, but what if I told you there are 5 straightforward rules that could completely change your financial future? These are the same principles that successful people use to grow their wealth. And the best part, they're simple enough for anyone to follow. Whether you're looking to save more, invest smarter, or break free from paycheck to paycheck living, these rules will give you the foundation you need. So, grab a notebook and let's dive into the 5 simple money rules that will make you wealthy. Rule 1. Spend less than you earn. This may sound obvious, but it's the cornerstone of building wealth. If you're consistently spending more than you make, you'll never get ahead. The wealthy understand this and live by it. Here's how to apply this rule. Track your expenses. Use budgeting apps or a simple spreadsheet to see where your money is going. Cut unnecessary expenses. Look for subscriptions you don't use or habits like daily coffee runs that add up over time. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to save before you spend. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference over time. Rule 2. Pay yourself first. This rule is a game changer. Paying yourself first means treating savings as a priority, not an afterthought. Before you pay bills or spend on entertainment, set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. Here's an example. If you save 20% of every paycheck and invest it wisely, compound interest will do the heavy lifting over time. The earlier you start, the more powerful this rule becomes. Think of saving as planting seeds for your future. Each dollar saved today can grow into a tree of financial security tomorrow. Rule 3. Invest in assets, not liabilities. The wealthy focus on buying things that generate income or increase in value over time. These are called assets. On the other hand, liabilities take money out of your pocket. Examples of assets: stocks and index funds, real estate that generates rental income, businesses or side hustles. Examples of liabilities: expensive cars, high interest debt, gadgets that depreciate. Rule 4. Avoid bad debt. Debt can be a double-edged sword. While some debts, like a mortgage or student loan, can help you build wealth, bad debt, such as high-interest credit cards or payday loans, can trap you in a cycle of financial stress. To avoid bad debt, always pay your credit card balance in full each month. Build an emergency fund to avoid borrowing for unexpected expenses. If you have existing high-interest debt, prioritize paying it off as quickly as possible. The wealthy use debt strategically, and you can too by being mindful of when and why you borrow. Rule 5. Keep learning about money. Finally, the wealthy never stop educating themselves about money. Whether it's reading books, listening to podcasts, or watching videos like this one, continuous learning is key to financial success. Some great resources include books like The Richest Man in Babylon or Rich Dad Poor Dad, online courses on personal finance or investing, staying updated on market trends and financial news. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart money decisions. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to building wealth. Conclusion: these 5 rules: spend less than you earn, pay yourself first, invest in assets, avoid bad debt, and keep learning are simple but incredibly powerful. By applying them consistently, you'll start to see your financial situation improve and your wealth grow over time. Building wealth isn't about being lucky or born rich. It's about making the right choices with your money every single day. So, which of these rules are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear these money rules. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.